Hey guys, how's it going? How to place market orders on Kraken. So first of all, go ahead and open up, not this, open up the Kraken Pro, right? Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and open up your trading chart. Let's have an example. I want to go to Bitcoin Prep, right? And basically, let's open up a new position. Whether you want to buy or sell, just go ahead and hit, let's say, example, buy, and it says right here, transfer funds. Let me go back right here and click the arrow thing at the bottom middle, right? So I can open up my chart, and as you can see right here, you will see the order, and you can see right here the order type, limit, or market. I'm gonna select market, and I'm gonna buy at the current price, right? And I can just select a percentage to buy from, right? And here you can set your own take profit or stop loss, and basically the conditional trigger signal if you want it to be mark price, index price, or last price. And then just go ahead, if you want to isolate position, you can just do that, or reduce only, you can just toggle this one on, right? And then basically hit buy Bitcoin prep perp, and then basically you could be able to buy your position, right? So whether you have funds, right, you can go ahead to your Bitcoin chart, or you can go, in my case, I have already a chart for trading. I can click the arrow right here to open up my chart, and then select the order type, and then start trading. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.